Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about postgraduate work permit applications for the students where their study permit is expiring soon and they are not going to get letter of completion at the time of filing their application for postgraduate work permit. Hi, welcome back. This is Dr. Sandeep Jain, Senior Immigration Consultant with Acme Visa Solution, having 15 years of experience practicing immigration law. So we were discussing about applications for postgraduate work permit where study permit is going to expire very soon and applicant is waiting for the essential documents from the institution. So there are two essential documents when we apply for postgraduate open work permit. First document is the transcript, transcript like you have completed the education with all the marks and grade and everything. And the second important document is the letter of completion. And that's where, this is the thing where I find myself in my practice, a lot of people are getting into catch-22 situation. What are the things actually they have to keep in mind and how they can file their application? Now, number one option, because their study permit is expiring, in order to keep them under a legal status in Canada, they have to apply for an application. Number one option is application for visitor record, because they have completed their education. They cannot apply for direct study permit extension because college is not going to give them any further LOA to complete education. So the first thing, visitor record application, converting their status from study permit to visitor record. Number two would be return back to the country, stay in a legal status before the expiration of study permit, returning back to the home country, and then applying postgraduate work permit. In the recent changes, actually, you can file application for postgraduate work permit even from the country of your nationality or country of your residence. Now, in two condition, actually, the purpose for most of the students, the purpose is not going to solve. Now, the third thing is they want to file an application. They want to work in Canada. Now, if you file application in a legal status for postgraduate work permit, the day you file your application and you get the confirmation of application submission, you are eligible to apply. You are eligible to apply for employment, or you are eligible to apply. You are eligible to work in Canada. So this is the foremost thing, and this is what everyone would love to do. Now, in order to this is the situation actually, in my practice, because we are hearing a lot of queries actually, especially from Quebec area. So people, they call my office. Now, in this case, my recommendation would be to file the application immediately before the expiration of study permit, right? This is very, very important. Now, is that we will be sending an incomplete application? Yes or no? Now, when we submit the application, say like client is having, the applicant is having transcript and other documents required, but letter of completion is missing. Now, we will submit the application that will make the application eligible to start working immediately. This is very, very important. And then say like in next 10, 15 days, 20 days, or within 1 month, the applicant gets a letter of completion from the school. And in that case, actually, you can always update that letter of completion through a web form. And usually, as you are aware, at this time, the processing time for any kind of work permit application inside Canada is almost 15 to 16 weeks. So this is the situation actually, where you can prevent yourself getting into catch-22 position. First of all, with this, you are staying in Canada legal, you can immediately start working, and this is not a documented thing actually, you can submit an application, but you are in a situation where you need some help, and this is the best way actually I recommend my clients to get into. Now, say you forget to file your application, or you are waiting for the letter of completion, and meanwhile your study permit expires and you are already in a restoration situation. Now, what you should be doing in that case? The process is very, very simple. What you have to do is, first of all, you have to restore your study permit. So what you need to have is, you need to pay IRCC study permit application fee, which is $150, and then the restoration fee, that would be $200. So $350, that is what you have to pay to IRCC without filing any application for study permit extension. You need to apply for postgraduate work permit application and attach that $350 payment slip along with your postgraduate open work permit application, and that will cover up, and you will be getting your postgraduate work permit if you are meeting all other conditions of IRCC. To sum up this video, we have three options. Number one, apply for visitor visa. Number two, returning back to your home country. And third, the one which I have told you, is to apply for postgraduate work permit with one document missing, and then you can update later through the web form. And then the fourth, even if you missed out the deadline, don't worry, you can also restore your status. So if you like this video, I request you to please subscribe this channel, and please hit the bell button, and please write a comment. For any kind of immigration related queries, you are more than welcome to contact any of the ACME Visa Solutions offices. Thank you so much. If you like this video, I request you to please follow, subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Thank you so much.